Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a fantastic day. Fantastic. You know why I say that? Because I love losing money. And boy, howdy, are we losing it today. Hell yeah, bros. Oh, yeah. Stock market down bad, son. The stock market is tanking this morning. It's a bit annoying because yesterday futures were up, crypto was up, and then just bam, look at it go. Look at it go, bros. Down, down, down. All right. I didn't put the chapters in. Oh no. Call your boss. Oh no. Kitty Cushion House. Oh no. Wipe that buzz up out your eyes. I got some pus in my eyes. Didn't sleep very well. I'm like, shit, son. Let's see. I live streamed the draft this weekend due to popular demand. How many views did that get? 25 views. Holy hell. My grade was a D minus. I'm going to go like 1 in 16 or some shit. Are you kidding me, bro? Like, how is that even possible? So tasty in the morning. Take rate cuts. Thinking before rate cuts. I maybe, bro. Bonds are down a lot. There's so high probability of a rate cut, but it might not be the right move. So tasty. In the morning, throw the coffee in your pie hole. It's hot. Oh no, call your boss. Wipe that pus up out your eyes. Got my midnight claim this weekend. Midnight finally got their head out of their ass. I mean, good job on them. I didn't even really realize that they were working on a resolution. I had no faith in Trezor. It looks like we're pumping back up out of nowhere. I mean, the E-mini S&P is down 80. Ding, 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 ding. Let's get in the stock market. NASDAQ down 340. I think the NASDAQ was down 400 at one point, which is no bueno. I did with Trezor and Yori, by the way. Currently, I was seeing that you still couldn't do it with Lace. Come on, Cardano. Um, AI said the reason we're tanking today is because of tariff uncertainty, which I don't really buy. And then September has been historically, for the last 5 to 10 years, a weak month. So maybe a little bit of that. Maybe a little bit of manipulation by the big boys just to try and drive retail out before they pump it up. Who knows? I mean, some of the stuff is roaring back. It looks like crypto related stuff is roaring back. Coinbase is roaring back. ETH is going green. It's still down like $4. I don't know. A couple of people tweeted this weekend that strategy might get added to the S&P 500. I think they're Kool-Aid sipping. I don't think there's any chance MicroStrategy gets added to the S&P 500. I would imagine the S&P 500 committee looks at MicroStrategy as a joke, but who knows? I could be wrong. No one's talking about Hood getting added. Now there's a company that should get added. They should have got added before Interactive Brokers, in my opinion. some of this crypto stuff, it looks like a lot's happening on Ethereum right now. Trump has a scheduled press conference today in 4.5 hours. I'm not really expecting Velez in the house. I'm expecting that to be a nothing burger. But I'm open to him saying something that moves the markets in a positive direction. WLFI, the World Liberty Financial, whatever institution, dropped their coin yesterday. A lot of talk about all of that and how Trump made $5 billion. His net worth went up $5 billion on that, and how a bunch of people lost money on it. I saw that Andrew Tate lost like, I don't know, a couple $100,000 trying to long it or something. Sure, a couple $100,000's nothing for Andrew Tate. He gets, I don't know, does he still get paid a lot by a bunch of idiots joining his Discord and paying to be a player or whatever the hell they're called? I know there's probably some people in this chat now or that's going to hear it later going to be offended because they paid for the Andrew Tate subscription. Hey, if you got value out of it, or you like the guy and you want to feed him, great, good for you. All right, we got bonds down 12 ticks, making a little bit of a comeback. They were down, 22 ticks, 23 ticks. I think they were down almost 2 full points. If only there was a way to see that. Markets always dumping before J-Powell farts. The whales are front running. Maybe. Yeah, this was down to 130. There was down another 18 handles, 18 tickeroonies. Network issue. Uh-oh. Am I still alive? That could just be Tasty Trade. Yeah, we're still alive. Tasty Trade, fix your shit, son. I mean, it doesn't look like there's a network issue. I see prices updating. All right, Bitcoin back over 110 and pumping. Pump up the, I mean, it was 107 like before I started the stream. Like high 107, I think. This says 1083. I could have sworn I saw yeah, I don't know. I think gold hit all-time highs. S&P down 77, which is a big move. I say that because the expected move for the week was like 50 handles. And it's 70 just today alone. Now it's 107. It's doubled. More than doubled. Mm-hmm. Tesla was down a bit more, making a comeback. Think we're going to go green today? I mean, that's a long way to go, bro. Trump dropping another crypto is crazy. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. From the whole World Liberty Finance is kind of a respectable crypto, kind of. I mean, what they're doing. I mean, they buy assets and hold it like ETH and Bitcoin and some other stuff. And then I don't know, they're doing some gimmicky shit with like burning. And then fees, I think you can make fees, but I took some profits on gold. Let's get it iron. Those are old. Days that we opened up down big are typically ones that we rebound, but you never know. I mean, that happens some of the time. And you are correct. You do never know. What's the SPX M2 doing? Ooh, hell yeah. Down big time, bro. I mean, yeah. All right. What do we got? Coinbase now almost about to go green, bro. JT in the house. How you doing, brother? Probably not so good. Head back over 100. SoFi doing good-ish. JT, did you end up joining the league? I'm not sure that you did, right? Why is that? You got to be crazy buying these Trump cryptos unreleased. No, I mean, not yet, bro. It's too late. The draft happened. The league's full. You snooze, you lose, brother. It's a shame. I literally told you last week that the draft was Saturday. I know the hum of the lawnmower probably. For your league to score the schedule, your draft. What? For your league to score your draft must be. If your league's draft happens, why are you giving me an alert of something that doesn't matter? I only got Xavier Worthy in one of my leagues. I'm pretty bummed about that. People in other leagues like shit on Kansas City, but then they always drafting their players early, like ahead. All right, Tesla 331. Trying to go green. Stick my balls in your mouth. Circle's hanging around this level for a while now. I think Circle's an interesting play. Long term, I think this could be a good investment. They're going to make a shitload of money. I don't know what acts are like in effect, but isn't one of them the stable coin? Like, is that one fully in effect? Or is that the one that's supposed to be done by the end of like October or September? I don't know. Genius and Clarity and all that shit. It's so confusing, bro. BMNR. Good thing I sold that piece of shit. Palantir looking a little juicy. Nvidia, I got a put spread that's in the money. CoreWeave, interesting to me. Getting to an interesting level. That's a weird chart right there. I wonder why it pumped up some. Oh, it dumped on earnings. Everything should be rolled out by next year or fourth quarter this year on these crypto bills. Next year. We don't got time for next year, son. Costco getting kind of cheap. AMD, interesting level. Netflix, 10x long Netflix. They got Franklin and Bash on there. Finally. Franklin and Bash is one of the greatest shows of all time. Kurt in the house. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking tired, bro. I really am tired today too because I slept like shit. Hoyt, how you doing, brother? Is Ricky still in Moderna? I think he said he got out. Good God. Thank God, dude. Took my advice on that one. Should have stayed in Neo, though. Quantum stocks, I'm bullish, Sam, but again, how do you trade these? Chris in the house. How you doing, brother? Edging you. NBIS, super bullish. LWLG, I'm not really bullish, sis. I'm just going to go ahead and get out of this at a flat trade. Oh, cool. There is a problem with Tasty Trade. Can't do shit. Apparently Tasty Trade's having problems. That's great. They're like Coinbase. Please make sure you're connected to the internet. I am, bitch. Unable to oh, great. Their servers are down. Womp womp. Yeah. Fever dream. It's a fever dream, all right. I mean, prices are moving, so obviously. I mean, I probably shouldn't do what I just did because now I might not be able to sign back in. You see my post about Proton Mail? Yeah, I should check it out. I paid for a year prescription. I love it. Love it for security standards. Pretty cool because you can set up alias for everything. So you'll know like if you start getting email spam, you'll know who effed you. But it's a nice extra security precaution. Every site has a different login. So if you're login, that's one of the vectors. They'll use your email address. So tasty in the morning. One thing I will caution you though, you set up a bunch of email aliases under Proton, you're pretty much like it's gonna be a lot of work to undo that if you don't want to continue to pay. Mike and Venus in the house. Long time no see. How you doing, brother and sister? Yeah, now Tasty Trade won't even freaking load. That was stupid. This right here won't even load. I want to watch you shred on one of those fancy guitars. Yeah. Good luck with that. Going well, good to hear. What's the weather like there? So tasty in the morning. All right, let's get into crypto, I guess. Been a rough couple weeks. Ooh, shit, son. Bitcoin 111? Like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm not complaining. Ethereum 43, pushing 44. I need that. I need Ethereum to go on a major run. 79 here. Hell yeah. Solana 204. Ondo markets open when? Tomorrow? Yeah, no shit. Some people are saying crazy stuff like ETH to 100K, 300K. Idiots. When did I just open and now? Ondo in 2 days. The Ondo global markets go live. Why would you not list a date? In 2 days. Nope. But don't tell us what they use. I think whatever. Like, come on, bro. Like, say like one more time. Sign in. Charles did a couple of videos this weekend. Ugh. How does anyone listen to him? He's talking about getting USD1 on Cardano now. Come on, bro. You're just going to go around the horn? He's kissing Trump. Isn't that Trump's stable coin? Cardano is a joke. Yeah, USD1. Cardano is a freaking joke, bro. Peter in the house. I got Chase in your other league. Yeah, I saw you got a decent draft. I thought you did a pretty good draft, and then you said you couldn't get in. And then it all made sense. I was like, oh, maybe that guy does something. I'm messing with you. Can't wait to buy the dip that causes. What causes? I would love to be able to shred on one of those guitars. Ethereum, Cardano 82.5. I was just thinking this morning I should have sold. Like, I am freaking that. I'm tired. Boss, I'm exhausted. I'm beyond tired, bro. Charles Hoskinson. Yeah, this is a great question. Can you show us what you mean by saying ADA outperformed BTC on the 1-year chart? Maybe, but oh yeah. Let's see what Gorilla Math. Price on September 2nd, 33. Price on 2025, 79. 141%. Yeah, so you can go find a timeline. This is a terrible argument. I mean, what do you expect from someone that goes to some freaking, I don't even know where he went, some country somewhere, and took his shirt off and painted his face and fat chest all up and put ants on his hand that have one of the worst stings in the world? That is not a sign of intelligence. Sorry. Maintenance update. Increased gunshot audio, minicopter damage indicators. Team sleeping bag labeling. Update out 2 horse ragdoll. Good. I hate that. Foliage displacement. New exhibit decor pack. What is that? BTC over the EMA. Let's go. US stock market down. How? Oh, I would check how that's doing, but Tasty Trade sucks. SPX down 60. NASDAQ only down 230. See if we can get back into Tasty Trade yet. Piece of shit. Change. Oh, we're loading, boys. Maybe. Oh. I'm up more money on my LWLG. I guess it's a good thing it wouldn't let me sell before. Yeah. I'll leave it on. Link up 9 cents. Hood making a comeback. Coin green. Come on, ETH. I need a big move, and I've only got 17 days, bro. Time's running out. Time. Let's see. I'm only down $250 on that. Oh, how much money have I gotten off that? Unable to contact servers. Great. I still probably can't trade shit. There's a 290 credit and a holy shit. I've made about a little over $9 on this trade and premium. So even though I did you can't see, even though I did a 110 put on this and it's down, I mean, I don't start losing money until Robinhood's below like 101. That is how the game is played. Oh, I got 145 days to go. Oh yeah. That's how she's played, son. Me, Kevin ain't dropping alpha like that. How to sell puts and then roll them, extend them for duration, get more credit, extend them for duration to buy time. He doesn't know what any of that shit is, son. What do you think? Does E-mini grow green today? That would be a crazy move, bro. 50 down 54. Yeah, they're complaining about a bunch of our clients flapping, meaning their internet issues. I wonder if there's a big ISP issue or something. Looks like they're coming back online now. Oh, today's about to be a bad day. I was saying how it was going to be a great day because I love losing money, but this keeps going. We might go green for the day, and I might make money. That would be terrible. We don't want that. All right, calm down. Calm down. Stop the rally. Let's go back into crash mode. Stop giving me a reason to live. All right, ramble time. He's starting to build a nice, strong base to bounce from. Let's evaluate that comment. I mean, I guess resistance, support. I mean, there's a little bit to said for whatever that's worth. Bitcoin 111, I mean, that's a borderline turning into a God candle. Keep that up. Don't ask me why. I don't know why there's a turnaround in crypto. I really don't. It's supposed to be a bad month for what that's worth. Rambleton. Oh, we lost 111. And they listened to me. Rally off. Feeling September bullish. Kraken never says anything. Their Twitter account is a joke. Great exchange. Their Twitter is garbage. Trump to announce Space Command headquarters at 2 p.m. That's interesting. Rectimber? Yeah, I guess. Let's see. Bitcoin profit loss by month and year. Let's see if we can find that. We can. September. So I guess bull run years. 2021 down 7%. 2017 down 7%. Last 3 years they were green. We've looked at shit like this before, bro. I mean, here's the problem. They're saying how this is, first of all, this doesn't mean shit. And it could be a little bit of manifest destiny, self fulfilling prophecies. In 2021, August is supposed to be a green month. In 2021, August was up 13%. In 2017, August was up 65%. This year, August was down 6%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So historically, 8 out of 14 times. This, and none of this means shit, dude. Historically, October's green. So this means absolutely nothing. In 2021, Q3 was green. Q4 was green. 2017, Q3 was green. 80% and 25%. Q4 green, 215% and 5%. So that also means nothing. Oh, let's get to the daily. Let's just leverage long or short, whatever it did in 2021 on this day. All right, Bitcoin continuing to bleed down a little, as is ETH, as is Cardano. When it's over. Trump to announce Space Command headquarters. Well, that should not move the market. Benjamin Cohen won't shut up about this. I think ETH will drop to the 21 EMA. That puts it around. I'm on the SMA, so there's going to be a little bit of a variance. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's like 3,500. Around 3,400. Oh, he's looking at the bull market support band. Yeah, 3,400 on the daily. Yeah, this is a weekly indicator, so it's not going to change. Maybe. 34, 33, 3,400. You look at liquidation levels. 3,400. Like, that will be a time. If that happens, that would be a time to pot on leverage long Ethereum. Not financial advice. And in my opinion, you shouldn't leverage trade. See, Coinbase launched a DEX on Base. I wasn't aware of that. Started shipping Base, turned 2 years, USDC, it's blah, partnered with Squad. Their entire product suite on Solana. I mean, Solana is building some real infrastructure. I'll give them that. I mean, like, Kurt, you're probably still not here. Can't wait to buy that dip. Like, what was this whole client shit? Like, who cares, dude? This is the guy that free climbed El Capitan, which is just nuts. Oh, I had a hard time remembering it, and it literally says it in the tweet. If you haven't seen that movie of him climbing El Capitan, highly recommended. Two days until football, guys. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I don't really give a shit about Thursday's game. I mean, I'll probably watch it if I can. What channel is that shit on? I don't know if it's going to be on Prime. Usually Thursday night games are on Prime, but I kind of remember the first week that not being the case. Cowboys, Eagles. I mean, I would love to see the Cowboys win that. I would love to see, I can't stand the coach for the Eagles. Where can I watch Thursday? Hulu, NFL, Peacock, NFL Sunday Ticket. I doubt that. Watch 15. Yeah. Prime Video Thursday night schedule. See, they don't have the first week. I remember that being the case last year too. I don't know where can you watch this. Can I watch? No, you cannot. Oh. Where is it, bro? Is it on Peacock this time? I mean, I have Peacock. Thursday night schedule. Oh, Jesus Christ with the ad blocker shit, bro. I refuse to watch your ads. How can I watch, listen, and stream? At the link. A little bit of thunder. We can use the rain. It's on NBC. Chris Collinsworth, I used to like him. He's a tough listen now. All right, Bitcoin back at a 111. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? I don't know about you, but I was disappointed. This was a blow. Ricky has a waffle vagina, takes a dive, a draft day disaster. Well. Did CryptoVisor write this? If it isn't Ricky has a waffle vagina, the team that managed to snag the second pick and still ended up with a draft grade of a D minus. Like ordering a 1 in 14, bro. Like ordering a gourmet meal and getting a side of burnt toast. Burn. Well, let's see. Second toughest schedule. I don't know how they determine that. The worst pick at 74. Who did I pick at 74? 2 players on bye week at 9. I have a couple bye week issues. I mean, let's see. Patrick and Xavier. AJ Brown and Saquon. I think it dinged me pretty hard because I have 3 players that are suspended till week 4, injured reserve till later in the year. I meant to do injured reserve slots, but I forgot. I'm not going to do it after the fact because people think I'm like cheating and shit. So it's whatever. We had that shit last year. I just didn't add it. I want to see draft results. Oh, who did I pick at 74? When would 6, round 6? Wait a second. Let's see. Despite best pick at 71, so it was right after that. Was it a blow to your ego? So, oh, J.K. Dobbins? I mean, come on. What do you have against J.K. Dobbins, bro? Seems a little harsh. If he stays somewhat healthy, he should have a great year. He had 9 TDs last year. I got an A plus. Oh, and he did bad. Yeah, I remember having a really bad grade. I forget what league. It said I was going to go like 1 and something, and I almost made the playoffs. So I should have made the playoffs. Should I add engine reserve slots? I don't think there's a way to do a poll. Where can you even chat on this piece of shit? We're moving to Sleeper next year, bros. I'm tired of these garbage ass. Sleeper is really good. Like, I wish we could do it now. Isn't there a way to, like, post shit? Added players. You gotta add in. Oh, I can't do it just because you and I want it. I want like 2. That's what we had last year. Peter, what do you say? Add injured reserve? Kurt, yes. Where's Jason? Haldor? Chris? If you guys are all okay with it, the 4 guys at 5 guys. Add 1 because I say so. You know, Jason in the house. 1 or 2, Jason. Bench, engine. Oh, it says there's 2. Yeah. It should already be there. Oh, I don't think you can move. Yeah, engine reserve isn't showing up though. Because we had 2 last year. 2. We had 2 last year, but does anyone have engine reserve on their team? Does any of you have an injured reserve and or an injured player and you can't move it? Yeah, you don't have any injured players. How do you check? What do you mean? How do you? Well, I mean, it should show up on the roster, regardless if you have it or not. So, like we roster and scoring. I have 2 injured reserve, but it's not showing up. You cannot old value 2. Okay. So it doesn't let me reduce it. Once your draft, only changes are to increase. It's not showing up though, so I don't know. Like it should show up. IR spots not showing up. How can you fix this? Only appears. I don't know if that's true. IR. Ooh. All right, so they are there. I thought they showed up regardless. Now I need to hurry up and pick up some players before you guys beat me to it. Let's see who we have. Players. Nope. 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 Trend. I want to see trending. There's no trend. Yeah, he sucks balls. Available. All right, let's see running backs. Tyler Algier, Rico. These guys, these are all oh. Boom. That was a great pickup. I don't really think I need wide receivers. 1, 2, 3. I got injured reserve 4. I mean, it's not the worst idea. Tight end, maybe? Who do we got? Zach, Janu, Theo, Darren Waller. Man, he used to be a stud. Isaiah Likely. All right. We'll do this. Marvin Mims, decent. I need a sleeper. All right. Link chat. Rescore my card now, bitch. All right, let's see how we're doing. Bitcoin going up a little bit. Hell yeah. ETH, you need to do better than that. The champ is here. You got a poo-poo report, Jason? You got a waste of time report? I got nothing better to do right now. I know you got to take screenshots and blah, 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 blah. So time in the market. Let you check. Gavin Newsom to launch meme coin. This can't be real.
The real prediction is, we're about to put a meme coin. You know what, Donald Trump? We'll see how well your coin does versus our coin. The real prediction
is that true? There's no, I can't check it with. Sometimes there's no Grok symbol on a tweet, and I don't know why. We win all time as well. Ah, Jesus Christ. I don't know if that's true. Bitcoin's gone from 0 to 100,000. Are you gonna do some math or something? The cool thing about math is you can always manipulate shit to give you windows that make you look good or move numbers around, smoke and mirrors. Altcoins are brewing the cup and handle. What's he looking at? Total 3 maybe? Yeah. I don't know. The 3-week. Oh my goodness, bro. We're going to go to a 3-week. I'm just going to let you have that. Let's move a time frame to something that fits it's up. Thank you, brother. 3-page. Gold surge, tariff. Oh, the illegal stuff on tariffs. I forgot about that. Coinbase up 4. E-mini S&P down 57 still. NASDAQ down 200. Job fears. There's a big deal on Friday. The jobs report, I guess. Unemployment rate. They'll probably fake those numbers, right? I'm not saying this week will be great, but I do think the pre-market sell-off is probably overblown. I agree with them on that. We probably won't break. I'm tired, guys. Break below 55720 on the Qs. Bitcoin 111.7. Let's go, dude. I'm not complaining on that. Bitcoin dominance. Fairly green. All right, let's see what he's looking at. He said 55720. There's nothing at 55720. Yeah, there's 3 candles of resistance. For what that's worth. Absolutely nothing. I mean, is that what he's basing it on? There's a gap at 532. I think if we lose the 50, it can get ugly. Huge catalyst week that are very critical for macro. PMI, I mean, that came out today, didn't it? Wasn't that a big fat nothing burger? PMI actual 48.7, forecast 49. I don't know if that's good or bad. It was off by 0.3. I don't know if low's bad. Probably. The only thing critical is jobs. We read more into shock. If we head more into shock territory, the bad news this week, we could be at over 100 BP on the 210, blah, blah. Good all-time high last week. We needed Nvidia to beat. Okay, this is a bunch of stupid. Not bullish the week, but bullish intraday bounces and buy the dips towards T. 1 hour to close. Last hour could be a sell down with funds, traders exiting. Enos says random things. QQQ 557 bounce. Tesla 318.62. He just says Tesla. What does that mean? We would bounce there? There's nothing at 318. It says that's a zone of anything. No 20, no 50, no 200. 323. At the bull market, 319. Maybe he's looking at an EMA. Less confidence in bounce at circle at 121, but possible. All right. He had one good comment in there. Sell off is probably overblown. That's about the only. So, not a complete waste of time today. Man, can you imagine paying for that? Like how many people have gotten their money back by paying for that? BTC Green 4-hour flip. Hell yeah. Let's go. I mean, I'm not sure why crypto's pumping. It's wrecked timber, but I'm not complaining. Like we're pushing 112. We need ETH to get jiggy. Bitcoin giving me hope. Dallas, why would they do that? Pick a better opponent than Dallas, bro. Oh, fudge. It'll be a hard, long day, bro. Michael Saylor's a weirdo. That almost made my ears bleed. Halo. You need. This Mostman Halo reveals. Okay, I'm interested. Oh, come on. I hate these people that sell shit and then like this one guy, Ajax, constantly, oh, this is the peptide bro guide. It's only available for 1 hour. And then you go and it's like, give me a price that you think's fair for this. And then I see him post it like 4 times a day. He's giving you that 1 hour, like, oh, get it before it's gone bullshit. I did add about 1.2 million spot Bitcoin this morning. Oh, I love how you say you did something. Did you tell the subscribers that? Rocket Lab looks like it wants highs. I gave you a lot of time on this today. You gave me a lot of time. First of all, I gave Rocket Lab out sub 30. When did you start talking about Rocket Lab? Yeah, that's what I thought. We're taking a pounding. Now I'm negative. I am losing money. All I do is lose. Come on, Link. Come on, ETH. Come on. Oh, I thought we were going to get to 112. The 20s, 113. We get above 112, 700. Ooh. There is some support and resistance there. I mean, in the short term, for whatever that's worth. And then you got the 20 inverted on the 50. E-mini S&P down 62. Nasdaq down 240. Does not look like this is going to go green unless some shit pops off. Now I'm up 33 bucks. I'm up a Chipotle burrito. I got some money too. Stock buying power. 14,000. Let's take a look at Rocket Lab. Maybe I add a little. You're painting white today? What does that mean again? That's a shitty day or a good day? Rocket Lab. You got to focus or it's an easy day? What is green blue skies on this one? 53.77. Oh, you know what? I met some rich nerds that bought shit pile of rocket. Yeah, I'm getting ready to buy some more right now, bro. Oh, guy and his son. Why are they nerds? Why you gotta... I can't get this shit filled. Partial fill. Come on, filled. All right. Why didn't I just buy 200 more shares of Rocket Lab? I don't know. What's Trump talking about today? Space Command Center? Who's going to benefit from that? Rocket companies. Guess who has a great rocket company? Rocket Lab. These are just a couple couple hundred play around shares. I got my 1,000 base and I'm okay with. In fact, I mean, I could sell some covered calls. Not really. $2. Almost one standard deviation away. Nah. I'm going to wait because I think it's going to go on a run. And then maybe I sell some calls. You too, brother. You never told us what painting white means. I know what it means when I say I'm painting white. I paint white. I did some painting of white on Saturday and on Sunday. Painting those sugar walls white. More like the shower floor. Got a couple fresh coats. Oh, yeah. Bow, bow, chicka, chicka. Fudge me. Up over 350K gold K on gold calls. You're up so much damn money. What do you need to raise your subscription price for? I swear to God, this looks good, so good. If I'm wrong, strike me down, but shit, Rocket Lab. I agree. I just bought a couple hundred shares. And I have a better thesis than you. I picked up some more Trump announcing Space Command and Center today. Can't hurt, right? We got a good look at Trump today. Oh, yeah. Several injured in Marseille knife attack. Police kill assailant. Associated Free Press. Europe will Europe. That's a really asshole thing to say. I mean, United States will United States with mass shootings. Bought no picks at the golf course. What does that mean? Oh, but no picks? Rumors that, yeah, on one loser Twitter account, one tinfoil Twitter account. I didn't take glycine last night. What is the most underrated compound? AOD 9604. What's this do? Fat loss? No. Chicago is the murder capital of the world. Yeah, I mean, that's true. Man, I am cooked today. I would call in sick, but I can't because I'll lose my vacation. Or not, I'll lose the holiday from yesterday. I hate that. I haven't called in sick all year. And if I call in sick today, I hate that rule, bro. Penalize the good because some people are bad. That's not a brag. It's not. First of all, I wasn't trying to brag. Second of all, that's an asshole comment. I haven't called in sick today. I mean, is that what I said? I meant, if that's what I said, I meant all year. I haven't called in sick all year. I only called in sick once last year. The year before that, I don't think I called in sick. The year before that, I did because I was in the hospital for 3 days. Bronx bruiser, frac equals hydraulic fracturing. Oh, yeah. Thank you for pointing out my ignorance. You are correct, sir. You are correct. I was going for the Battlestar Galactica swear word. Oh, well. Thank you for pointing that out. It's appreciated. You got to get more comfortable. Bro! Oh, I guess. I was just born different. I was born with rub some dirt in it. Need some Trump TA? I'm not wasting. That's more of a waste of time than the Meet Kevin report. Break those chains. It's whatever, dude. You can't. There's some DNA you just can't change. Just because you get high and drunk every night and show up late and call in sick all the time. I mean, you're what's bringing our society down. You're a drain on our economy. We need to export your ass back to wherever you came from. Today's going to be one of the last few hot days remaining for the year. And you know what that means, baby? Puma season. I don't think Pumas are available yet. They better get them this year. I ordered a couple of those 32 degrees and not liking them. If I get sick and die today, I'll be replaced tomorrow. That's true. I mean, same's going to happen for me. That doesn't mean I can't have a good work ethic. But if I call in sick today, I lose my holiday pay. So I'm just going to power through it. And hopefully I get some good sleep tonight. Let's see. Puma full zip hoodie. I'm not hating that. The logo's kind of ugly, but I like the zips. We might have to order some of these. The logo's ugly. But wait, it doesn't say if they're what they're made out of. Puma, bungee cord, ripped, 60. Yeah, so 67% cotton, 26% polyester. I'm not digging that logo. Heat transferred Puma logo. Well, that means they're going to fall off, which is good. Maybe I order a couple of these just to see if I like them. If you're sick, I don't muscle through it. If I'm sick, sick, I'll call in sick. But I usually don't get sick. Like sick for me is a DVT and 2 PEs in the hospital for 3 days. They would have given me a laptop, I probably would have muscled through it. I'm kidding. Uh-oh. Rocket Lab's down. The second I buy it, it's tanking, of course. All right, boys and girls, I got to get going. I want to get a little bit of sunlight. Got to get some work done. Bitcoin 111.2 coming down a little bit. Have a great day. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's do a quick check. 8 likes. Hell yeah. You guys brought the heat. High tea today. All right. Have a great day.